Hello guys, it's me Priyank and I'm really happy to see you guys over here because this is something that is not taught in the syllabus in our school and colleges. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to eclipse.org and download Eclipse, and Eclipse is usually used to program in Java, but we'll be using it to program for Python. So the next thing that you need for Eclipse is Java JDK. So how can you download JDK? So as soon as you open the Eclipse shortcut, you will see that it is taking you, it is redirecting you to the website which shows you, which tells you, prompts you to download Java JDK. So over here we have various options available depending on your system type. You can download and install it. So in case you have an 32-bit operating system, you can download x86. Right now I have 64-bit operating system. I'll just use x64. And there is another option available called Liclipse, which is specially designed for uh, programming languages other than Java. So right now we have Python, so we'll be installing Liclipse. So you have two options: either you can use Eclipse or you can go forward and use Liclipse, because in this series I'll be using Liclipse as my IDE. So once you have installed and downloaded everything, you can just open up and you should be prompted with administrative username and password. So once you open that, you can actually use PyDev with Eclipse, which will function same as Liclipse, but by default Liclipse comes with PyDev installed. So I'll be using Liclipse and I'll be performing all the practical sessions using Liclipse. So in case you want, you can go with that, or you have Eclipse installed, you can use PyDev to add Python functionality to Eclipse. So there are two methods, just follow which one is better for you. In case you have Eclipse, you can use PyDev to work around with Python on Eclipse. Right now I'm using Liclipse, which is specially designed, as I told you. So you can just click on next, next and install to install it, and all the files that I've used with the same version of software will be available. You can download it from the resources. So once you have installed that, for Eclipse users you have to install JDK, and then you can actually move forward and it will work same as Liclipse. So don't worry, in case you are confused, you can ask questions in the Q&A section of this course. So for people who are using Liclipse, it's quite simple. You just have to install the setup. You don't actually need JDK or anything else. But for people who are using Liclipse, you actually need JDK and you also need PyDev. So I'll show you both the methods. For Liclipse, you just have to click on start and you are done, you are ready to go. And I'll be personally using Liclipse because it's quite simple to use, and I would recommend you to do the same. But for people who are using Eclipse, that is E, you have to actually install JDK and then add extension. So let's open up Eclipse, and over here you can just launch it. You can save your project wherever you want, and the next thing is you have to select theme. So I'll just go with the dark theme, and that's all. You are done, you are ready to go. And in case you have Eclipse, you actually have to configure PyDev, to which I'll be adding all the links in the description. You can actually go and check the configuration. So that's all guys.